Yes, you people can see what this man, this old man, is saying. This man in the talk, make them hope P2B and the IPOB. That means all the Igbo people responsible. If they do this protest, they are planning to do in Nigeria. Look at what this man is saying. Look at what this old man, tribalism. In fact, during the time they do election in Nigeria, P2B won. But because of tribalism, Onakale and give Tinubu, and the youth are trying to do protests in Nigeria, and P2B calm everybody down, tell them they should come down. The same person now that you are accusing, the same innocent man, that when they do election, the youth won't rise up, do heavy protests in Nigeria, the man calm everybody down. Now, people want to come out to do protests because of hardship. When I don't turn now to blame Igbos. This man, in fact, I don't know what to call you, because you are here because of the hatred you have to Igbos, because of the hatred. Old man like you, look at old man like you that are supposed to bring in peace, trying to how to bring peace. You are bringing tribalism. All the Yorubas that are beating Igbos during the presidential election, what do you do about it? Look at old man like you. Look at what is coming out from your mouth. All the northern people where they say they go do protests, where they insult people, why no one talk to them? And you are here blaming Igbos, blaming P2B. Blame Tinubu, because since Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, everything changed. Price, fuel, dollar, everything. Now your brother Tinubu where you go blame. Don't blame P2B, don't blame IPOB people or Igbo people. Blame your brother Tinubu. Or if you hate Igbo, tell your brother, make your brother give them Biafra, make them go. You are coming here talking nonsense. This man, you dare small. Compare the people who fight Igbos in this country called Nigeria, where they there. You cannot fight stone. If you fight stone, you will hit yourself that place. Because of the hatred. Hatred where you hate Igbos. That is why they talk all this, is why they talk. Look at old man like you. Look at old man like you. We're supposed to be taking care of your family. You come online, they talk waiting no make sense. You are blaming P2B and the IPOB Igbos. Nah, this country called Nigeria, though I don't know why Britain joined this country together as one Nigeria. I don't know why Britain joined this country as one Nigeria. When I think so, Igbo be no problem. Go blame your brother Tinubu. Go blame him. Go blame your brother Tinubu. All the Yorubas, now all the Yoruba youth now where say them go come out do protest. Now Igbo people cause them. Now Igbo people tell them make them do the protest. And all the Hausa people now where talk say them go do protest. Now Igbo people tell them they should go do protest. And let me tell this man, if anything happen to P2B, you will see how God will punish you. If anything happen to P2B, una the verse for against P2B because P2B is an Igbo man. And all of you see how all the Nigerians love the man, both Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Nigeria, everybody love this man called P2B. Because the man is an innocent man. Una they hate him because he's an Igbo man. Una won't try to arrest him. Where can I arrest him now? Tribalism, every day, tribalism. Let's divide this country, let Igbos go. Tell your brother Tinubu, make him divide the country. If not that 5 states, give them, make them go. You people are here talking nonsense on social media.